everyone, today we'll learn word form and numeral form of decimals. Let's start with the word form first. We have an example 0.8. So we'll be writing the word form in two ways. In exam, you can choose any one way to write, but you should know both the ways how to write, because when you'll get the questions of numeral form, the question could be from any of these two ways. So the first way is very easy. In that, you just need to write this decimal point as a point. You'll say 0.8. You do not need to remember any place value chart for that. So the first way is very easy. Just write down 0.8. That's it. Instead of decimal, you will write point. In the second form, you need a place value chart because we'll be using that. So before writing the second form, I'll be writing the place value chart above. How I'll write? Above decimal, decimal will come. And before decimal is ones place, and after decimal is tens, T-E-N-T-H-S, tens place. Before decimal, capital letters, after decimal, small letters. So I'll be writing the place value chart above 0.8. Now, while writing the second form, in place of decimal, I'll use and, not point. So you can write 0 and 8. What is the place of 8? Tens. 0 and 8 tens. Instead of 0, we can skip because 0 has no value. So you can directly write 8 tens. So here you need the place of 8, the last digit. Okay, let's do the second example. You will understand better. We have the question 5.17. The first way I just said it. So it's just 5.17. We'll not use 17 in the first form. In first form, after decimal, take the digits separately. Do not take them together. Before decimal, we can take the digits together, but after decimal, we'll take them separately. So it's 5.17. While writing the second form, first write down the place value chart above the digits. So I have written above decimal, decimal. Before decimal is ones, tenths, hundreds. So I have written the places here. Now while writing the second form, in place of decimal, this point, I'll use and, word and. So it will be 5 and 17. Now I'll take these two digits together, 17, and I'll write the place of 7 only, not the place of 1, the last digit, that is 7. So I'll write 5 and 17 hundreds. So it will be 5 and 17 hundreds. Very easy. Let's do more example. So in place of word form, in some questions, some books you will see, they'll say write number name of the following. So it's just the other name of word form. So let's see an example. We have here 56.07. Before decimal, we can take the digits together. So it's 56.07. So in place of decimal, we use the point, and it's very easy. We do not need to write any place value chart for the first form. Now for the second form, let's write the place value chart. Above decimal, write down decimal. Before decimal, ones. This is tens, capital letters before decimal. After decimal, small letters, and start with tens, hundreds. Okay, now writing the second form. First we'll write 56 together. 56 and 7. 07 is 7 hundredths. So we'll write 56 and 7 hundredths because we'll write the place of the last digit, that is 7. Now let's do the other example, D part. We have the 3 digits before decimal and after decimal. But it's very easy. Before decimal, we take the digits together. We know this is 513. But after decimal, we'll take them separately while using the first way. So while they're writing the point way, we'll say 513.902. So let's write 513.902. But while writing the second way, we'll write 513 and 902, and we have to use the place of 2. So before that, let's write down the place value chart. So above decimal, I'll write decimal. This is ones place, tens, hundreds. This is tenths, hundredths, thousands, small letters all. So let's write down the second way. It will be 513 and 902 thousands. So we'll be taking these three together, but writing the place of the last digit. And in place of decimal point, we use and in the second way. So you can differentiate the difference now. Like for the first method, use point and take the digits separately after decimal. And when using and, you can take before decimal digits together, after decimal digits together, but writing the place of the last digit. So this is the way we can write the word form or the number name. Okay, let's do the numeral form now. Now the word form will be given and we'll be writing the decimal numbers. So we have the example. It's very easy. They have written 32.06. Very easy. Just the point 32, then point, that is decimal point 06. But let's write on the place value chart first. 32 means we have to use ones and tens place, and 06 means tens and hundreds place. So I have written the place value chart before writing the digits. Now 32, 3 under tens, 2 under ones. Decimal will be in a line. So decimal under decimal, tens place is 0 and hundreds is 6. So it's 32.06. Second form. Now this is the and form, not the point one. Point one is very easy. Even you do not write the place value chart, you can write the answer correct. But while using this, remember writing the place value chart. This is 402 and 23 hundredths. So let's write down the place value chart. So 400 means we have to write the place value chart till 100 here, before decimal and after decimal as well. Let's write down. So decimal, ones, tens, hundreds, and after decimal, tens, hundreds. You can see before decimal capital letters, after decimal small letters. Let's write down 4 will come under 100, 2 will come under 1. So we do not have tens here. So we'll write 0 in place of tens. Decimal under decimal, we have 23 hundreds. 2 will come under tens, 3 will come under hundreds. So this is 402 and 23 hundredths. Correct? Okay, let's move further. Numeral form, the other question we have little big, that is 753 and 946 thousands. Now, and recognize and as a point. So first writing the place value chart of decimal place value chart, obviously, because we can see thousands here. So first we'll go before decimal hundreds place, after decimal thousands place. Let's write down the place value chart. So this is decimal, ones, tens, hundred, tens, hundreds, thousands. Let's write down the digits below the places. 700, 7 will come under 100, 53 will come under tens, and 3 will come under ones, decimal under decimal. Now next, 946 thousands. 9 will come under 946. Now you get confused. 9 will not come under 100. It will get wrong. 946 thousands. It means 9 will come under tens. 946. Like this. 946 thousands. Now we got our answer. You will not write 9 under 100 because it's 100. It's not hundreds. Remember this. So 753.946,000. 6 will come under 1,000. That we are very sure. So before that 4 will come, and before 4, 9 will come. So it's easy. 946 thousands. Moving to the next example. We have 3,049 and 72 thousands. Okay, so we have thousands before decimal and after decimal as well. Writing the place value chart first. Before decimal, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. And after decimal, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now, 3,049. 3,000 means 3 will come under 1,000. And 49 will come under tens and ones, and 100 is 0 here. 72,000. 72,000 means 2 will come under thousands. 7 will come before 2, that is under hundreds. We do not have tens here, so we'll write 0 here. So now you can check. This is 3049 and 72 thousands. So remember, and when you are using the and way, remember writing the place value chart first, and then write down the digits under that, and you will be able to easily solve this numeral form. And even if you have after 10,000, we have after thousands in the both side, we have 10,000 here and 10,000s on the other side. TENTHOUSANDTHS. So thousands, then before thousands we have lakhs here. Likewise, we can extend both the place value charts before and after decimal. So with this, we have done the numeral form. Now it's your time to do some workout. Giving you the question. This is write this decimal number in word form. I'll not speak, else you know how to write. So you can either write the point way or write the and way. Your choice. I'll check the answers in the comment section and we how many of you have done it correct. So write the answers. I'll check later. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.